So tired. Oh, I'm so tired. Hello there, and welcome back to another video. Today, it's just like get ready with me. It's Sunday when I'm filming this. Just gonna put some makeup on to feel cute and pretty and do like chores, maybe make some more art videos for my TikTok, stuff like that. And that's about that. Let's go. Boo! Did I get ya? Did I get ya? I just wanted to pop in real quick to remind everybody to like, comment, and subscribe if you dare. Are people understanding that the reason why I'm doing the is because I'm like making fun of old school horror movies? I hope you picked up on that. That's why I'm doing that. Just an FYI. Anyways, on to the video. First things first, skin prep. I have sensitive skin or like combination skin, something like that. So I typically don't do anything that's super crazy or harsh, especially in the morning, because my skin does not like that. Oh. Okay. First things first, I gotta get all of my hair out of the way. Then I just go in with micellar water. I highly, highly, highly recommend this. I got it on Amazon, I think. Alright, moving on to lotion or moisturizer. And then some sunscreen. Alright, skin prep, done. On to the makeup. Oh, I need to make coffee. Oh, 1 second. I'm back, and I have coffee. While I'm doing my makeup, I'm gonna also watch a movie, so I'm gonna put my little AirPods in. Ever since they put Elvira's stuff on YouTube along with MST 3000, I have been binging that stuff. I also now know why I love watching like these long form reaction videos about stuff, because I grew up watching that kind of stuff, but with like comedians doing that to movies. It all makes sense now. It all makes sense. Alright, because I'm just doing this for funsies and not doing an actual full face get ready with me, I'm probably just gonna do my concealer on my eyes and like under my eyes, and that's about it. First things first, I'm gonna go in with my Rare Beauty Concealer 210N. I always forget how much product is on this until I start doing this. Oh, should I like zoom in or something? Alright. It's just a little bit on the inner and outer corners of the eye. It's hard doing this when I don't have my glasses on. I can't see what I'm doing. Oh, I also like to blend it up into the corner of my eyes because I got some deep blue. I don't know if that'd be discoloration or not, but it's just a little bit blue on the inner corners, so I bring it up and blend it out there as well. But that's just me. You don't have to. Boom. I don't look as tired. Alright, then I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline 115 WarmLight. This one's a little bit lighter. I don't have eye primer, which is why I'm doing this, just an FYI. If I had eye primer, I would be using that. Now, I don't have any, like, not liquid, but like, I guess cream eyeshadow. Well, I guess I have one, but it's not the right color. So I'm gonna try some black lipstick that I have. I think it's just Maybelline. Maybelline lipstick, pitch black, 845. Again, no eye primer. I don't have anything. Alternative for cream eyeshadow. I got like the base of the cream on. So now I'm gonna go in. Where is it? My black eyeshadow. Oh my god, this hair. Alright. Do people even know who I'm talking about when I was talking about Elvira earlier? I don't know. If you know, let me know. I love Elvira. I think she's so funny and very sexy, obviously. And I'm just gonna be patting the black eyeshadow. I brought it a little bit higher up than I was intending to, but that's fine. We're gonna roll with it. Oh, and the Elvira movie that I picked out was, oh my god, I can't read. I was about to do this because I don't have my glasses on. Just like Frankenstein's Castle of Freaks. So you can watch all of like these, well not all of them, but a lot of her movie macabre stuff seems to be on there, and it's like free just with ads. Awesome, beautiful. Give me all of it, please. Please and thank you. I love the actors in the movies too. It's so funny. They'll like see a dead body and they'll be like, 10 out of 10. I love that. I'm just gonna wipe off like some of the excess black eyeshadow powder, holding it at the tip at a slight angle, very light. Small little circles. Alright, do you see how it's like buffed out more than this side? Done. And I'm gonna go in with the same brush. I'm just wiping off again excess stuff. And I'm gonna go in, I think with a slight more contour looking brown. Like maybe this and this one. Yeah, I think I might just combine these two and lightly buff out even more and then go over with a lighter brown. And I'm essentially just gonna do the same thing, small, light, circular motions, so I'll just do that and come back. I'm just gonna go in with like some concealer and like just clean up stuff a little bit. I don't know if it's just me, but recently on TikTok, I feel like I'm not getting as many makeup videos as I used to. It might just be me. Although I will say I have been getting more Bad Omens content, which definitely love. That's a vibe. I'm not mad at that. I love Bad Omens. I love Sleep Token. I'm a little sad that I only recently heard of them though, because Sleep Token and Bad Omens are definitely up my alley, but for whatever reason I just didn't hear about them until recently. And I love them. They're so funny and so talented. I had a YouTube idea about like maybe making a video about like easy Halloween makeup with just whatever makeup you have lying around if you can't afford face paint or something. I don't even know if that's a video people would be interested in or not. But yeah, I just was thinking about like different YouTube videos I could do. And one of the first ones I thought of, because I've been doing a lot of like face paint, specifically skull face paint on my TikTok. I don't know why, I just really like doing skull face paint. So I was thinking maybe I could do a YouTube video for that. I could redo the like kiss makeup that I did a while ago. I could do easy at-home Halloween makeup videos. I don't know. I had a few different ideas. Or I could keep making time-lapse videos as like little YouTube shorts. I keep going back and forth about that one. I am planning on making a video introducing and talking about my Etsy store. So there's that. That's gonna come eventually, hopefully. Anyways, I'm just adding a little bit of glitter, or not glitter, shimmer into my eyes. I like that I like purposely try to make this more up close, and then I keep going further back from the camera. I don't know what I'm doing, guys. I'm a hot mess. But what's new? I have recently been trying to, I guess, embrace the fact that I just have always had a little bit of natural eye bags, and trying to do makeup around that instead of hiding it. So I ended up making this Living Dead Girl makeup look, and it ended up like really popping off on my TikTok. It's like at 18K views or something now. Like, that's pretty viral for me. Same thing with my other TikTok, my Bob's Burgers fan art. There was a poster in Louise's room that I noticed one day, and I don't know why, but I was like, oh my god, I have to make that, but a spooky version. And I did, and people are loving it. Crazy. I think what's the most surprising is those videos that have popped off have received a lot of love, and I don't know, people just seem to be super kind, which I'm not used to seeing on the internet. So it's a pleasant surprise. All right, I think I'm gonna go in maybe this one. It's like a champagne color, I guess. I don't know. I'm just making up things now. I don't know, this looks like a champagne color. I don't know what that means, but it's what beauty people say. So, oh, maybe I should talk more about the fact that I have an Etsy. So I have that. SGG Studio, all one. SGG is capital. Studio, the S is capital. No spaces, all clumped together. What do I have up there? I have my digital coloring books, paper dolls, and I'm getting ready to, that's actually something I need to do after I finish this, is start uploading my digital art prints. And if you haven't watched my latest Get Ready With Me on TikTok, do it. I was like, I'm gonna do a simple, quick Get Ready With Me. It ended up being two-parter, 4 or 5 minutes total. And I ended up doing like a little bit more extreme version of my Living Dead Girl makeup. I was really sitting there being like, oh my god, what am I doing? Why can't I stop? I should stop. And then I would keep going, and I'm like, no, but like, I need to stop. But it's just, makeup is fun. It's so fun. I love it. But also I needed to calm down and get to work because there was stuff I had to do. Lips. I might do maybe just like a blurry, pouty lip situation, like natural. Contour a little bit, blur it out, make it look all pouty. And then I think I'll be done. I love doing that, just, oh my god. Oh, I love old horror movies, they're so bad. Anyways, yeah. That's about it. So that's the end of the Get Ready With Me. Now I have to actually do things. I don't want to adult and be responsible. Boo! But yeah, I think this might be one of the best, like, all black eyeshadow looks I've ever attempted. It's still not perfect or anything, but better than it normally is, so I'll take it. I'll take it. If you've made it to the end, thank you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching me ramble and just sit down and chat and have a good time, you know? And go check out my Etsy, because I have that. Check it out. Check out my Etsy. Check out some of my other videos. Check out my other socials if you want to. Try to make some more videos, specifically skull makeup, maybe some easy Halloween makeup, stuff like that. And then of course a video more about my Etsy. Oh, love all the makeup on my hand. Anyways, thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, all of that. And as always, pleasant nightmares. Bye.